All right, one last elevator before I leave. This thing. The either 1960s or 1950s Gallaher and Speck, which I never filmed yet. This thing is big for Gallaher and Speck, actually. 4,000, wow. Okay, so what's right here? Old GL. You notice, look how little this panel is, like shelf far down. It's like handicap, like compliant. ADA compliant. It's the cab. Straight cab is missing. All the sin tabs are gone now. Smart GL. And seat engine. Behind its back. Alright. So once again, I'm gonna end the video. And then I have to go, so. So I'm all the way in the back right here. Oh my God, did I just step in piss? No way.